This is one of my favorite days of the year because really it brings the entire industry together. It's really a day where we all come together and show really the breadth of this industry and what it can do.
ProStart provides a high school curriculum in both culinary arts and in restaurant management, where students through the year learn all the skills necessary to be job ready for those fields.
ProStart is in the secondary schools. We work more with the CTE programs, meaning the career technical education side, but work with some charter schools and work with some high schools that have culinary arts programs.
Schools from all around the state come here to the ProStart Invitational and they compete. The #1 school from Pennsylvania will go to the national ProStart competition and they have the chance to win the title for #1 culinary program in the country.
I'm the manager of my team, so I'm really excited to see, because they've worked so hard, so I'm really excited to see all of their efforts come to fruition. It's going to be really fun, and I think whether we place or not, it's a really good opportunity for all of us to have and to grow closer, which is cool.
There's months of book work, research, just a whole lot of legwork that you don't see. Every practice we'd step back, evaluate what we have, and be like, we need to add this, we need to add that.
It blows the mind that high school students are doing this type of work.
They don't have a full kitchen, so they are really showing their ability to be able to come together as a team and produce restaurant-ready product.
It allows them to see and feel time restraints, deadlines, voicing, conversation, teamwork, camaraderie, see the other chefs interacting with each other, and they say, wow, this is what it's really like.
Another part of the ProStart program is restaurant management. So those teams are coming in to present their own restaurant concept.
I kind of liken it to mini Shark Tank. It gives them an opportunity to actually design a restaurant from the ground up, design a menu from the ground up, work through concept, costing, marketing, recipes, all the things that go into really starting a business. Whether they stay in hospitality or not, obviously it'll help them in their next step of their career and their education.
The ProStart program is exciting because it takes a nationally accredited curriculum and it provides that to school districts so that students are all learning the same curriculum and it then is industry recognized. These kids can go off anywhere in the country and be on their path to a very successful career.
This event is absolutely amazing. We get a lot of good conversations with the students, a lot of interest to come work for our company as well too, so great event.
The resources the students have at this level, the feedback from the industry, it's crucial. It's crucial for their growth.
I'm definitely going to pursue, for sure, cooking in the future. I always like cooking. It's your own craft. It's very creative. You can make your own things. I would love to own a restaurant one day. Maybe farm-to-table restaurant. As I work in a farm-to-table restaurant, I see all the benefits and see how fun it is.
I plan on opening up restaurants of my own. I love this business. I can't get enough of it, so I couldn't imagine life without cooking.